Good morning. Let's have a great week this week.
This afternoon we're going to have a fire drill. We're going to even practice calmly and quietly leaving the building just because that's what we do if it's not safe inside.
Here are the 3 our names for this week.
Mrs. Bartlett's room, Joanne. Mrs. Farnsworth, Cody. Mrs. Bailey, Lexi B. Mrs. Vilhauer, Jacob. Miss Kipko, Samuel. Mrs. Metzger, Gabby. Mrs. Celine, Cooper. Mrs. Celine, Hunter. Mrs. Manchester, Audrey. Mrs. Scheller, Caitlin. From Cougar Club, Nathan D. Mrs. Nichols, Ellie. Mrs. Peterson and Bingham, Rex. Mrs. Jonkus, Caitlin. Mrs. Bartlett, Autumn. Mrs. Farnsworth, Gunner. Mrs. Bailey, Alexa. Mrs. Vilhauer, Lily. Miss Kipko, Isabella. Mrs. Celine, Isabel. Mrs. Metzger, Maureen. Mrs. Celine, William. Mrs. Manchester, Audrey. Mrs. Scheller, Caitlin. From Cougar Club, Judah. Mrs. Nichols, Isaac. Mrs. Peterson, Mrs. Bingham, Ellie. And last one this week from Mrs. Jonka's class, Maddie.
Play safe at recess and have a great week. Be a great friend.
And why don't you right now just turn and smile at your teacher?